Hey guys, Kelly here with PlantX. So with the salad bar concept in the fridge, a great little tip that I like to use is to make a Buddha bowl. So Buddha bowls are quick and versatile and very healthy. With a Buddha bowl, I'll just grab those ingredients from the fridge and simply toss a few into a bowl with my dressing that I've made, and I've got a quick and nutritious meal. So using the build a salad bar concept, this is how I would make my Buddha bowl. Start with my rice. Add in some black beans, some yellow pepper, some cucumber, baked peanut tofu, toss in a little green onion, little bit of sesame seeds, and lastly, our dressing. And there we have it, our quick and easy Buddha bowl. So this is so easy when you meal prep. So I threw this together in about a minute. It's so delicious, quick, easy, and healthy. Enjoy.